Hello friends, let's start. Question number 1. Calculate the absolute minimum radius of horizontal curve along a national highway at plain terrain if the ruling design speed is 80 km per hour. Take maximum allowable superelevation rate as 7%, design coefficient of lateral friction as 0.15 and acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meter per second square. Options: A. 314.22 meter, B. 183.33 meter, C. 229.05 meter, D. 268.24 meter. Correct answer is option C. 229.05 meter. Next. Question number 2. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is options: A. 150 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 210 degrees, D. 90 degrees. Correct answer is option B. 180 degrees. Next. Question number 3. Which of the following is a type of contouring method that can be effectively used in a hilly terrain by setting radial lines? Options: A. Vertical control method, B. Horizontal control method, C. Tachymetric method, D. Method of cross-section. Correct answer is option C. Tachymetric method. Next. Question number 4. A survey line QPR crosses a river. P and R are located near banks at opposite sides of the river respectively. Standing at S, a point 50 meters is measured perpendicular to PQ from P. The bearings of R and Q are 320 degrees and 230 degrees, respectively. Find the width of the river if the length of PQ is 25 meters. Options: A. 95 meters, B. 100 meters, C. 115 meters, D. 130 meters. Correct answer is option B. 100 meters. Next. Question number 5. The sum of the measured exterior angle of a polygon consisting of 5 sides of the traverse shall be options: A. 1060 degrees, B. 920 degrees, C. 300 degree, D. 1260 degrees. Correct answer is option D. 1260 degrees. Next. Question number 6. Which of the following errors arise from inattention, carelessness and poor judgment in the mind of the observer? Options: A. Mistakes, B. Cumulative errors, C. Systematic errors, D. Accidental errors. Correct answer is option A. Mistakes. Next. Question number 7. The algebraic sum of deflection angles, exterior, of a pentagon should be equal to options: A. 940 degrees, B. 720 degrees, C. 520 degrees, D. 360 degrees. Correct answer is option D. 360 degrees. Next. Question number 8. The length of a survey line measured with a 30 meters chain was found to be 650 meters. Calculate the true length of the survey line if the chain was 15 centimeters longer. Options: A. 653.25 meter, B. 650.75 meter, C. 656.75 meter, D. 648.90 meter. Correct answer is option A. 653.25 meter. Next. Question number 9. The magnetic bearing of a line AB is south 30 degrees east. Calculate its true bearing if the declination is 5 degrees 30 seconds east. Options: A. North 35 degrees 30 seconds east, B. North 24 degrees 30 seconds east, C. South 24 degrees 30 seconds east, D. South 35 degrees 30 seconds east. Correct answer is option A. North 35 degrees 30 seconds east. Next. Question number 10. The following consecutive readings were taken with a level and 5 meters leveling staff on a continuously sloping ground at a common interval of 10 meters, 0.385, 1.030, 1.925, 2.825, 3.730, 4.685, 0.625, 2.005, 3.110 and 4.485. Calculate the reduced level of the 7th station if the RL of the first station is 208.125 meter. Consider that there is no reason for change in the instrument station except the limited length of the leveling staff. Options: A. 206.780 meter, B. 200.340 meter, C. 204.325 meter, D. 202.445 meter. Correct answer is option D. 202.445 meter. Next. Question number 11. Calculate the quantity of earthwork using the midsectional area method for 180 meters length of a portion of a road. The height of the banks at the two ends of the road are 1.00 meter and 1.50 meter. Formation width is equal to 10 meter and side slopes is equal to 2:1, H:V. Options: A. 2468.50 cubic meter, B. 3256.80 cubic meter, C. 2812.50 cubic meter, D. 1890.75 cubic meter. Correct answer is option C. 2812.50 cubic meter. Next. Question number 12. Calculate the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon. Options: A. 720 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 640 degrees, D. 320 degrees. Correct answer is option A. 720 degrees. Next. Question number 13. Identify whether the given statements with respect to plotting a traverse survey are true or false. Options: Statement A. The closing error can be eliminated by balancing prior to plotting a traverse survey using the coordinate method. Statement B. The closing error can be eliminated by balancing prior to plotting a traverse survey using the angle and distance method. A. Both statements are false. B. Statement A is true but statement B is false. C. Statement B is true but statement A is false. D. Both statements are true. Correct answer is option B. Statement A is true but statement B is false. Next. Question number 14. Estimate the quantity of earthwork for a portion of road using the trapezoidal formula, in which distance between the sections of the road D is equal to 30 meters and cross-sectional areas A0 is equal to 5.5 square meters, A1 is equal to 11.5 square meters, A2 is equal to 17 square meters, and A3 is equal to 24.5 square meters. Options: A. 1460.5 cubic meters, B. 1080 cubic meters, C. 946.5 cubic meters, D. 1305 cubic meters. Correct answer is option D. 1305 cubic meters. Next. Question number 15. Calculate the correction for curvature for a distance of 1500 meters. Options: A. 0.092 meter, B. 0.034 meter, C. 0.176 meter, D. 0.422 meter. Correct answer is option C. 0.176 meter. Next. Question number 16. The sum of the measured exterior angle of a polygon consisting of 5 sides of the traverse shall be. Options: A. 1060 degrees, B. 920 degrees, C. 300 degrees, D. 1260 degrees. Correct answer is option D. 1260 degrees. Next. Question number 17. The process of establishing a structural relationship among the functions of people so as to streamline the achievement of assigned objectives is called. Options: A. Directing, B. planning, C. staffing, D. organizing. Correct answer is option D. organizing. Next. Question number 18 in a survey work using theodolite, when is an observation termed as face left observation? Options A. Tangent screw is located at the left side of the observer's observation direction. B. Vertical circle is located at the left side of the observer's observation direction. C. Vernier scale A in horizontal circle is located at the left side of the observer's observation direction. D. Altitude level is located at the left side of the observer's observation direction. Correct answer is option B. Vertical circle is located at the left side of the observer's observation direction. Next. Question number 19. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to tachymetric surveying. Options. A. Stadia hairs are not required in the tangential system. B. Fixed hair method is also known as subtence method. C. The principle of subtence method is that the staff intercept S forms the fixed base distance, while the tachyometer angle beta changes with the staff position. D. The stadia method is based on the principle that the ratio of the perpendicular to the base is constant in similar isosceles triangles. Correct answer is option B. Fixed hair method is also known as subtence method. Next. Question number 20. In a leveling work, it's observed that back side of station A is 1.505 meter, foresight of station B and C is 1.305 meter and 1.320 meter, respectively, from an instrument station. Calculate the reduced level, RL, at station C if the RL at station A is 520 meter. Options. A. 522.8 to 5 meter, B. 522.6 to 5 meter, C. 519.985 meter, D. 520.185 meter. Correct answer is option D. 520.185 meter. Next. Question number 21. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to the terms and principles used in compass surveying. Options. A. Gold present below the surface of the earth is one of the sources of local attraction. B. True meridian through a point is the line in which a plane, passing through that point, the north and south poles intersects with surface of earth. C. 4 bearing of a line measured in whole circle bearing system varies from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. D. Magnetic declination at a place can be either eastern declination or western declination. Correct answer is option A. Gold present below the surface of the earth is one of the sources of local attraction. Next. Question number 22. The chainage of the intersection point of two straights is 1060 meter and the angle of intersection is 120 degrees. If the radius of a circular curve to be set out is 570 meter and the peg interval is 30 meter, determine the tangent length. Options. A. 330.19 meter, B. 229.09 meter, C. 329.09 meter, D. 325.09 meter. Correct answer is option C. 329.09 meter. Next. Question number 23. The departure and latitude of a forward point with respect to the preceding point is known as the options. A. Meridian, B. Consecutive coordinates, C. Reference coordinates, D. Quadrant. Correct answer is option B. Consecutive coordinates. Next. Question number 24. Two distances of 20 and 100 meters were accurately measured out and the intercepts on the staff between the outer stadia webs were 0.196 meter at the former distance and 0.996 at the latter. Calculate the tachyometric constants K and C. Options. A. 0.4 and 100, B. 100 and 0, C. 0 and 100, D. 100 and 0.4. Correct answer is option D. 100.4. Next. Question number 25. The process of putting the plane table into some fixed direction so that line representing a certain direction on the plane is parallel to that direction on the ground is called options A. Centering, B. Sighting, C. Orientation, D. Leveling. Correct answer is option C. Orientation. Next. Question number 26. Which of the following survey types follows operations such as radiation, intersection, traversing and resection? Options A. Tachyometric surveying, B. Plane table surveying, C. Chain surveying, D. Compass surveying. Correct answer is option B. Plane table surveying. Next. Question number 27. If the latitude and departure of a survey line are negative, the whole circle bearing of the same line will be between options A. 90 degrees and 180 degrees, B. 270 degrees and 360 degrees, C. 180 degrees and 270 degrees, D. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Correct answer is option C. 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Next. Question number 28. Calculate the combined correction for curvature and refraction for a distance of 3 kilometers. Options A. 0.760 meter, B. 0.605 meter, C. 0.859 meter, D. 0.236 meter. Correct answer is option B. 0.605 meter. Next. Question number 29. Following are the observations made on a closed traverse line PQ4 bearing 35 degree 20 second back bearing to 16 degree 40 second, line QR4 bearing 155 degree 30 second back bearing 336 degree 30 second, line RS4 bearing 293 degrees back bearing 113 degrees, line SP4 bearing 10 degree 50 second back bearing 191 degree 10 second. If the bearing of line RS is not affected by local attraction, the correction that needs to be applied to each angle is options A. minus 0 degree 40 second, B. minus 2 degree 40 second, C. 2 degree 40 second, D. 0 degree 40 second. Correct answer is option A. minus 0 degree 40 second. Next. Question number 30. A map of a certain area is drawn on a sheet. The distance on the map is 1 decimeter and that on the ground is 5 kilometers. The representative fraction for the given data is blank space. Note that DN means decimeter. Options A. 1 by 5,000, B. 1 by 50,000, C. 1 by 5 lakhs, D. 1 by 500. Correct answer is option B. 1 by 50,000. Thank you friends. Next video will upload it soon.